Unprecedented precision, quantitative edge, stunning results. This is Jensen Code. Join the community as we help you grow. Remember, it's not what you can make, but what you can keep.
Exactly. It's not what you make, but what you can keep. So let me show you how we implemented that in today's market recap. And as usual, we'll be going over our morning thesis, trade ideas, and actual trades taken. Let's first dive into the PnL and see how we did today. So for today, you guys can see here we have closing out the day about $743.75 with roughly about a 79% accuracy. A little bit more short trades today than longs. It's just given today's market direction. Let's go over to the room here. I'll briefly go over the morning thesis, which we discuss live for our members each and every single day. So if you're interested in learning more about the community, I'll go over those details later in the video. So for today, we had the SPY range today. You can see here. Let's first get the numbers. SPY range today is 492 to 401.61. So this is the image provided along with the morning live call. So we go in detail about the plan for the day and what we're looking for. And the range today was right here, 492 to 401.61. So tight range today. That is presented to the members right here. And this is the written report that you guys see in the minds on Twitter, as well as given to our members each and every single day. And then today's SPY bulls, having completed the test in the overnight, as a brief overview here, it says give them the need to stay bullish for the range on the day. But SPY bulls will need to close 2 10-minute candles above 403.02. Notice that's this green line here. Okay, which then makes it a must hold spot. They cannot hold it, that would be coming down into the bear territory, which is what ended up happening today actually. The SPY bears will be looking to not allow the above to occur. And they know full well that there's a lot of opportunity that they lost a lot of opportunity in the overnight session. They need to try to gain some ground to start the week. And that will be coming by SPY bears closing 15-minute candle below the range today, which is currently where we're testing now. And I'll go ahead and show you guys. So here's the morning commentary. You can go ahead and pause the video, review that if you like. Review any portion of the plan. But let's go ahead and go over the charts. So let's first take a look at SPY, since SPY is prevalent today. Okay, so this is the SPY chart. So you can see the 2 10-minute closes above this area. That equals a must hold. Okay, must hold, meaning that they cannot lose that. Otherwise, you start a downtrend or flush-like scenario to the next bottom of the range. That's where we are now. 492, remember from the morning report. So right here, as soon as we got 2 10-minute closes, went ahead, it said, okay, now that it's time for bulls to take over, they must stay in charge. And then as we were approaching this close here, our AI system gave us this 404.15 number to watch out for a short. If they cannot sustain price above that area, that would be the first indication that we're potentially looking to fail. So as we did, came down, tested, and came up, got a back test, tried to push above, just couldn't. And we've been in a downtrend all day long, as you guys know. And we are just now testing the bottom of range. Notice that's 480.92. Now let's go ahead and go over to our actual trading chart. This is the chart we trade. I trade the E-mini S&P futures. The first trade of the day was actually a long. Went ahead and started to look for a long position right out of the open. It was pretty close. Got long, booked a little bit of profit, just wasn't big enough to make any headway there. Then we pushed above. Remember that SPY number that our AI systems gave us? As soon as we got that SPY number, which was like right around here, as we approached it, I started a short position, took a little bit of profit right here. So I started a short position, took some profit, added back, and then I booked on this big flush all the way. I was all out on the retracement on the way back up. All out there, then did some administrative tasks, answered emails, stuff for members, and I missed this big one. This one was real nice. Real nice on this one. Quite unfortunate, but oh well, just part of it. Some of our members caught this one. It was really good stuff to see a couple of our members and our moderator catching that. I'll go ahead and pull that up. Quick update from last week's videos. So you can see some of our members had some really good days last week. Moderator had really good days. I actually went ahead and got one of those Apex account funded that we were discussing for the videos. So full video and analysis on that coming here soon. And we'll start talking about withdrawals and all that. But another good day for our moderator. Good day for members. Great all around. So that was for trade 1. Trade 2, I did not take this one. And then trade 3 for me was the acceleration on here was kind of fishy the way we were coming down. So I was like, okay, we're going to come down and test that top of range area and likely bounce off of it or, consolidate a bit. So I started to build a long position as we were dropping here. Again, I missed the short, got back to the charts like right around here or so, right in this area. Missed the short and started to build a long position on this flush. So got entry number 1, entry number 2, and then the final entry. So it was a 3-tier entry system. Came in, and as soon as we started to push up, book profits all the way up into here, right through the final stretch as we were coming through the highs right there. Go ahead and get rid of that and show you guys a little bit closer so you can see. So again, as soon as that broke, entry 1, entry 2, entry 3, got the reversion, took profits, nothing done there, and then took more profits all the way through the high here. It was all out of the trade by there. Really, really good trade. Very happy with that one. Then did nothing through this right here as we were back testing this area. Took one more short, see if we can get a rollover. Started a short position right there. Added second leg and was just booking profits all the way through and stopped at the rest break even. That was pretty much the last trade of the day, if I remember correctly. There was a potential for a long right in this area, but I did not take it. And then on the side of that was pretty much all the trades for me on the day. We are now testing the bottom side of range here. You can see very, very good stuff. Quite clean, quite great action today, even though it was sideways and choppy. Big week ahead with FOMC and all the big EPS names coming out. So be sure to stay tuned, ask questions, comment down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. What are you expecting out of the FOMC? Really, really interested to see what everyone's thinking about what they're going to do. They're going to raise rates. We're getting 25, we're getting 50. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Otherwise, that was it for today's opportunities. Like what you see, then come on in, join us, be part of the community and the environment built from the ground up to provide sustainable long-term results and help traders keep profits made. Learn the markets with us and venture into the world of AI-driven success. I'm sure tomorrow will provide some more good opportunities, and remember, it's not what you make, but what you can keep.
Our AI and indicators are designed for high accuracy and success, even for beginner traders. Listen in on our daily live calls where we cover our trading thesis and guide you through our live trades. Need advice on things like risk management and trade ideas? Join us in our weekly meetings where you can ask us anything. Like what you see? Then join the community and use the tools we offer for your success.